There's chaos here in the city following a string of incidents that took place here this morning. Police are currently advising all citizens.
There seems to be multiple armed assailants, sir, all posted up at different key locations.
There's a ghost in this old diner. Sits a couple booths from me. Stirs the sugar, never drinks the coffee down. Just stares out at the empty street.
Ironstead has once again brought the city back from the brink of
It's Vivarosa, and she's containing the fire. Unbelievable.
Benevolar is on the scene, and he seems to be healing this injured man.
Just a whisper on the wire, a forgotten corner of my mind.